Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna do an overview of this gold watch by this company right here. A little unboxing, a little overview, give you some stats on it, some close-up stuff, and all the fun stuff about this very cool, very unique watch and where the design, this very unique design came from. All right, so what all comes in this actually very nice box? You have the watch. Very, very nice. Does come with a cleaning pad, does come with a tool to strategically take off additional links if it is too big. Does come with a international guarantee card, and it does come with a very helpful watch user manual. First to note is the design. So there's a couple different color options. This one is the all gold as shown here. But the design is actually inspired by Spain surrealist painter Salvador Dali. Very, very cool. This information is provided with it. The piece de la resistance. So very, very nice. I've actually already pulled off all of the protective coating, so it does come covered completely in a plastic covering all the way around. But it is definitely shiny to say the least. I mean, it is quite shiny. From a size standpoint, kind of give you an idea size-wise, it is about 1.75 inches from the edge of, they call this the crown, this is the dial, all the way to the edge, about 1.75 inches, and then the total face is about the same, just shy of 2 inches this way. Very unique design. Also comes with a magnifier, date adjust. Easy to manipulate and set the time with the minutes and hours using the dial here as shown, just like that. This also controls the date right here and the magnifying glass. The back side has all the specs on this specific watch, all kind of engraved there. It also has the brand label. Can barely see it there on the actual right there on the band. Very nice. The way the clasp works is it folds in like this and then locks in. So this will pop up, then you'd pop this here. So that's how the whole clasp situation works. It does have the option to remove 1, 2, 3 links right here. So depending on the user, it's already set in the largest position, but the user does have the option with the provided tool to change that when worn. It definitely is a piece that's going to get some attention because just because of the, we'll say, non-circular face, people are definitely going to be asking questions. Kind of shows some contrast there using some gloves. These gloves are not provided, but just to kind of help show the contrast here with the color. Just a very, very nice overall watch. Now some specs to know about the watch is the case thickness is 12 millimeters. The case diameter, I know I kind of gave you the measuring tape there, but it is right at 45 millimeters. The brand material is 304L stainless steel. So 304 stainless steel in a gold finish. The total watch weighs 5.4 ounces, so it's got some weight to it, which just definitely adds to the quality of it. The band width, 16 millimeters. The band size, so from a wrist all the way around standpoint, can be is in the biggest position, the largest position as it comes right out of the box at 8.6 inches, and it can be adjusted down with the tool provided to 6.5 inches. Now the movement on it, which is very, very specific, is Japan original Myoda 8215. And so that is the movement on it. Another very, very surprising feature is that this is water resistant to a depth of 98 feet. Now, that's not snorkeling depth. That's definitely some kind of scuba diving depth for sure. So definitely, it's not advertised as a dive watch because I think maybe a dive watch has to go deeper than 98, but 98 feet deep. Another cool thing is that the dial window material, the glass here, is actually mineral glass. So this is not standard glass or plexiglass. This is actually mineral glass. Very, very Nice. Overall, it is just a very impressive, to say the least, watch. Keeps the time just as you would hope it would, and it's just very unique. Very unique. It keeps the time. It's water resistant, easy to use, and it doesn't need batteries. You don't have to wind it. It's self winding with the internal mechanisms, which is always nice. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you give a little overview, a little tutorial, and some up close of our watch that is very unique, especially being based off a artist. Hopefully, any and all of your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.